For this video, I will show you how to edit page CSS in Horizon theme on Shopify. First, go to your website, then go to the page you want to edit. Now select an element. After that, right-click on your mouse and select Inspect. Now, here you will edit your site, so just click on this arrow button and then select what you want to edit. For here, I'm choosing this quantity selector, and you will see that it is highlighted in the code. If you want to edit it, click on the plus sign button. Here you will make your changes. For example, I want to change background color, so I'm going to type in background and then choose background color. After that, I'm going to type in the color that I want. So I will type in pink, and you will see that it is applied to your page. But to save it, you need to copy this code and you need to insert it to your page CSS. To do that, you need to go to your Shopify dashboard, then click on Online Store on the left panel. Now select Customize next to your store. Once in, go to the page you want to edit and go to your element. Now on the left panel, go to Settings. Scroll down until you see Custom CSS. Now just paste on the type box the code you copied. Then just click on Save on the top right corner. And you will see the changes applied instantly. Now if you view your page, you can see that the custom CSS is applied. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.